This is just a quick video about how to find things like the course description book for next year, as well as graduation requirements and some helpful links when you're helping students enroll in their classes. So to get there, you can start at USD 383's home page, and you'll go to the Schools button. And as it opens up a menu, you're going to click on Manhattan High School. From here, you'll click on this Resources button in the middle of the page. You'll notice there's lots of different resources available. We're going to look right here. Underneath those bigger buttons, we have the Explore MHS Canvas page, which you saw in a different video. And then what's important to us today is this 2023-24 course description booklet. If you click it, it will open up in a window just like this. Some things to note about the course description book. There's a lot about our school, some information there, but at the bottom of each page, you can click the table of contents, and it will take you to the table of contents. So no matter where you go in the course description book, it takes you to the table of contents. You just click on that, and it takes you directly there. This is really nice because you can go directly to your departments, but also up here it shows you things like graduation requirements, Kansas Board of Regents qualified approved curriculums, advanced placement, concurrent credit, things that just might be important to your students to look at. I know graduation requirements is important to everybody. You can click on there and it takes you here so students can see exactly what is required to graduate. If they get done with that and they want to go back to the table of contents, you just click that and go there. Something else nice about this particular site is a lot of the departments have kind of like a flow chart or something to start with that shows what would be the appropriate class to take next. So here in the math department, it shows you what you should have probably taken in 9th grade, and then what you probably might take in 10th grade. And then on this side, it gives all of the prerequisites for those courses. That'll be really important for your students. There's also some MATC courses too, and there's some prerequisites for that. So important to look for those things. If I was done looking at that, again, I could just click on that table of contents and be right back where I was before. The other thing that I'd like to show you is if you go over to this left-hand side of the page and you click on this Counseling Department button, there's some other really nice information. Over here we have all of these pretty buttons about Zello and summer opportunities, volunteer hours, and on the left-hand side you have the counselors, a tab for each grade level, ACT, SAT, PSAT information, distinguished service, volunteer opportunities, dual and concurrent enrollment, financial aid, and of course those graduation requirements again. So if you wanted to send a link out to parents and students that made it really easy to see the graduation requirements, I would send the link from right here on the school website. I hope that gave you some things to look at and will help you in your classrooms with your advisors to kind of figure out what classes they should enroll in for next semester.